क्या हाल चाल है भाई लोग, वेलकम टू स्टोरीज ऑफ अ फैट बॉय पार्ट 2. So this story goes back to early time of 2017-18 when I had achieved my fat loss results. Once you achieve some results, you are excited. You tell people, I have done this. This is how I did it, and you feel happy about it. You feel excited about it. In the parties, when you go, you're like, I'm on a diet. I don't eat this. I don't eat that. Don't do it. I've done this mistake. You attract unnecessary attention, especially if you are in the middle of your fat loss journey, in the start of your fat loss journey. There are two categories of people. One category of people who will support you on your goals, announcing it to them privately, all good. You need supporters in a journey where you have to go through struggles, where you have to fight your insecurities in terms of fat loss. If you are fat, you are insecure. I know. I've been there. So let's say you go to a party, you tell, हाँ मैं ये नहीं खा रहा क्योंकि I'm on a diet. People in the party leave everything else and they start to lecture you. यार ये तो खाना होता है, ये तो ऐसा है, डाइट करना कुछ अच्छा नहीं है. They won't care when you were having a pizza or you were having a burger every day. But now, since you are eating healthy, they will care about your health. They'll say, okay, this is not good in long term. वो बोलेंगे क्या जरूरत है करने की. उनके हिसाब से आपका वर्जन जो पहले था, that was the version they liked. Obviously, they are not going to like the new upgraded version of you, which is like the best version of you. So there will only be a few people who genuinely would like कि आप grow करो, and recognizing those friends, recognizing those family members is also super important. So don't fall in that loophole where you are going out and announcing your fat loss goals, क्योंकि you are at that fragile period, still in the process of make or break. अगर आप ये कर देते हो, and let's say you tell to somebody who has authority over you and doesn't want the best for you, what they will do is they will pull you down. You will lose your confidence. You lose the progress that you have made. It will break your mindset, which you have set in terms of आपके long term goals. So don't do that. Okay? Ignore things which bring unnecessary attention on you. मैंने अपनी fat loss journey के बाद जब अपना ये career start किया, I was always the center of talk whenever I used to go to a family function, an event, जहाँ पे everyone wanted to just talk about okay, अब health, अब keto, अब intermittent fasting, ये है, ये सही है, नहीं है, गलत है. That unnecessary was putting a lot of extra pressure on me for my goals, which was not needed. And that's where I want you to stay away from those situations, because if you are on a goal to improve yourself, those situations will come every now and then. And having some people who support you, who support a better version of you in this journey, becomes way easier. That's where mentors are. That's where people who actually tell you the right thing play a big role in a journey like this, whether you are improving your health, whether you are improving your wealth, whether you are improving your relationships. Having people who have done that, been there, will never pull you down. Hate never comes from top. It comes from bottom. Once you set some goal, right? So there are two ways to get euphoria from that goal. One way is working on that and you seeing that result. One way is talking about it a lot. And that also releases dopamine. Both of the things that give you feel good factor. But अगर आप पहले announce करके, बोल के, ज़्यादा उसके बारे में बात करके dopamine release करवा लेते हो अपना, that is where you stop then. है ना? जो आपको lead करता in order to achieve that and then feeling the delayed gratification. This was a little longer story, but I hope this raw version is something that connected with you somewhere. If you are making this mistake, stop it. अगर already अपनी journey पे हो, don't make this mistake. And let me know in the comments अगर आपने यहाँ तक सुना है, आपको अच्छी लग रही हैं ऐसी raw stories, so I'll make more of these. Much love. जय माता दी.